Yeah, we gave him an award as a pillar of ecumenism because of his peaceful disposition and cordial relationship with churches in this state, irrespective of denominations. So we felt we should encourage him to do more. Yeah, we are so excited, first at his peaceful disposition. For him, peace is central in everything. And he is quoted as saying that no sacrifice is too much for the peace in Rivers State. I think that is very, very commendable. And again, he has intimated us with his plans of showing emphasis, making emphasis on agriculture, on health, and education. These are very laudable. We can only pray that God will give him the grace to actualize and implement all this.